2018 Jaguar E-Pace review. You'll just like the E-Pace's mixture of style, sport, utility and luxury. Jaguar's first crossover SUV, the E-Pace, is really a big success with the company on account of its sharp-looking style and athletic performance. Now the company is doubling on its success using the new 2018 Jaguar E-Pace. The E-Pace's name could possibly be confusing since many automakers utilize an E to refer to power. But the E-Pace is only a smaller SUV, much like how the Jaguar X sedan is smaller when compared to the XF sedan. In terms of size and price, the E-Pace is bigger plus more expensive than established subcompact SUVs like the Audi Q3 and BMW X1. Power derives from one of two available turbocharged four-cylinder engines, the one that makes 246 horsepower and another that thumps out 296 horsepower. All E-Paces include a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The higher output engine's all-wheel drive product is more advanced and enables improve the E-Pace's handling when open turns. Overall, we're pumped up about the 2018 E-Pace. It's more costly than some rival SUVs you may compare it to, however in return it delivers lots of style, performance and features. It's quite likely the best equipped subcompact SUV available in 2010. What's new? The Jaguar E-Pace is undoubtedly an all-new model for 2018. The P250 E-Pace aids due to its balance between cost and features. This model comes together with the base engine, which pumps out a respectable 246 horsepower, as standard all-wheel drive, which is packed full of features like a power tailgate, 14-way power leather seats with memory function, an 11-speaker premium stereo audio, along with a suite of advanced driving and parking aids. Due to a larger 19-inch wheels though, we'd also recommend finding the adaptive dynamics option, which could vary the suspension damping and improve ride quality for sale in April 2018. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Jaguar E-Pace exists in two main trims primarily distinguished by engine output, the bottom P250 along with the P300 dynamic. Additional features are broken out into four subtrims: Standard, S, SE and HSE. The base E-Pace P250 is powered with a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, 246 horsepower, 269 pound-feet of torque. As you move, the E-Pace dynamic gets to be a similar but more efficient version, 296 horsepower, 295 lb-ft. A 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive are standard overall. The P250 Standard incorporates 17-inch wheels, LED headlights, selectable drive modes, heated mirrors, automatic wipers, back and front parking sensors, push-button start, dual-zone automatic climate control, 6040 split-folding rear seats, a 10-inch touch screen, a rear-view camera, along with a 6-speaker head unit. Lane keeping assist and forward collision warning and mitigation with low-speed automatic braking will also be included. The S upgrade adds 18-inch wheels, LED running lights, leather upholstery, 10-way power adjustable front seats, a navigation system, a Wi-Fi hotspot, additional smartphone integration, an automatic parking system along with a surround view camera system. The SE trim equips the E-Pace with 19-inch wheels, automatic high beams, an electric liftgate, 14-way power adjustable front seats, an 11-speaker premium head unit, a blind spot monitoring system and adaptive cruise control. The top HSE is simply offered together with the higher output dynamic P300 models and adds 20-inch wheels, a hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, 18-way power seats with memory settings, premium leather upholstery along with a full digital instrument panel. In addition, for the power increase, E-Pace Dynamic P300 models you start with S trims or longer can also be equipped with a performance-enhancing rear differential, special exterior and interior styling details, front fog lights, and sport front seats with contrast stitching. Most with the extra features through the higher trim levels are offered as choices on the S and SE. Other notable upgrades incorporate a climate control package adds heating with the front seats, tire and windshield, a drive package additional security features including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and upgraded forward collision mitigation, a Meridian surround audio system, a surround view parking camera system, and adaptive suspension dampers. A limited run of first edition models also are available. In addition to much from the dynamic content except the better engine, it is included with exclusive red paint, a black leather interior with red contrast stitching, and special 20-inch wheels. And just about all from the E-Pace's optional features are included as standard. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S within this review depend on our first drive on the 2018 Jaguar E-Pace Dynamic HSE Turbo 2.0 litres inline-4, 9-speed automatic, AWD. Driving. The Jaguar E-Pace Dynamic impresses with speedy performance from the turbocharged 296 horsepower 4-cylinder. Paired with a responsive, quick-shifting 9-speed transmission and accurate steering, the Dynamic delivers on its promise of a rewarding driving experience. Comfort. The E-Pace's ergonomics are better to those from the larger E-Pace, striking a much more natural balance between car-like familiarity and SUV utility. The upgraded 20-inch wheels are great for cornering but deliver a harsh ride quality. But overall, the E-Pace feels unquestionably luxurious. Interior. Despite its small SUV proportions, the E-Pace is surprisingly roomy with this report. The back seat provides enough legroom for adults, setup headroom might be tight for taller passengers. We can't discuss lower trim versions, however the upgraded leather upholstery is really a pleasant treat. Utility. A great deal of thought may be put towards utility. Jaguar will squeeze in a considerable amount of small item storage, with generous door pockets and cubbies. There's also a good amount of usable cargo space, 52.7 cubic feet using the second row seat folded flat and 24.2 cubic feet by using it in place. Technology. For higher trims much like the one we drove, there are a full digital monitor, a color head-up display, plus a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, app integration and Wi-Fi. There's also a comprehensive suite of driver aids and active security features.